I've got my trowel and some freezer bags. I'm going scrumping. This plant that I've been eyeing, there's a couple actually that I've been eyeing up. And I'm going to fucking nick them. Is it theft? Well, it's a weed, but I really like it, so eventually. I've got my scrumping bag on. All underneath this tree is full of these. I think they're like tiny pansies. So I'm going for one hiding underneath some bushes. Can you not wee on that shell because I want to try and dig a bit up? Would you mind? I managed to dig these bits up. Successful scrumping mission. Oh God. He's very proud. He's proud of our scrumping mission, aren't you? I'll show you in a minute. There we have it. Another successful day of plant scrumping.